equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Start by unplugging your Dyson V10 and removing the battery for safety. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the handle. This will help ensure that your new trigger functions smoothly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. With the handle open, locate the old trigger mechanism. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding parts. Once the old trigger is removed, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Before securing everything back together, it's a good idea to test the new trigger. Reattach the battery temporarily and check if the trigger responds correctly. If everything seems fine, proceed to reassemble the handle. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the handle, give it another quick clean to remove any fingerprints or dust. If you're unsure about any step, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you determine if a DIY repair is right for you. Finally, once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson V10 and give it a test run. If the trigger works smoothly, you've successfully completed the replacement. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to replace the trigger on your Dyson V10. Enjoy your clean home with your fully functional vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.